Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify eligibility for Medicare with Humana step by step clearly. To verify your eligibility for Medicare with Humana, start by visiting the official Humana website. Look for the Medicare section on the homepage. Click on the link that says Medicare Eligibility. You will be directed to a page that provides information about eligibility requirements. Read through the eligibility criteria to ensure you meet the necessary qualifications. If you believe you qualify, proceed to the next step. Locate the Check Your Eligibility button on the page. Click on this button to initiate the verification process. You will be prompted to enter some personal information, such as your name and date of birth. Fill in the required fields accurately. Next, provide your Social Security number if requested. This step helps to verify your identity. Once you've filled in all necessary information, click Submit. Wait for a confirmation message regarding your eligibility status. If you are eligible, further instructions will be provided on the screen. If you are not eligible, review the reasons given for this determination. Make sure to save any confirmation or reference number provided for your records. You can also call Humana's customer service for further clarification. Have your personal information ready when you call. This will help expedite the process. End the call once you have all your questions answered. Now you're equipped with everything you need to verify your Medicare eligibility with Humana. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.